Good morning. Welcome back to the show. James Rule, XRP. I'll tell you what, last night, most of you got to see Venus and the moon close to each other. I took out my iPhone late last night and I opened it up for the 10-second shot, and this is what it got. You really couldn't see the moon clearly, but here's the moon. Here is Venus. Here's the Texas skies. Clear. Beautiful sight to see. So people are currently freaking out. Why is it going down? Why is crypto going down? I'm blaming it on this. I'm blaming it on that. Somebody saw it was the government. It was the whales. It was the banks, blah, 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 blah. Don't worry, people. Y'all are freaking out, especially the newbies. And they're like, oh my God, I bought it here. Why is it going down? And for us all OGs that have been in this, it was down here by the cat's feet. And for the past several months, it's been up here and it's holding up here. So take a chill pill. If you're new, bless your heart. You are just now getting to experience the pullbacks of cryptocurrency. Hold on for good things. Let's take a look at the numbers. Total crypto market cap, $3.5 trillion. Bitcoin is below 100,000 at 99,432. Ethereum is 3,100. Oh my God, XRP is $2.84. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to chill. We're going to get excited because some amazing things are happening. User Texas, that Mustang man _ Texas says, how do you like this Born Dominium? And I had to have a closer look at it. And of course, I love it. Check it out. A Born Dominium is an open structure home or development. And a lot of them are built here in Texas. I love all the wood here. I love the big porches. And if we go down here, you can see the interior. Beautiful. The loft. Supposedly the bedrooms are on the upper levels, I guess on the opposite side of what we're looking at right now. But I would love to have something like this. I would love to build one even bigger and maybe have a drive-in garage area, attached to it. That would be pretty cool. But look, the big screen, you got the couches, you got the bar, just big open concept. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's keep going. Jake Travinsky. Check it out. Jake Travinsky had this to say, and it gets everybody excited because, some great things are coming in the U.S. And the next few months, the next couple of years is going to be so exciting for the space. Some amazing things are going to happen, and companies are already able to go into the SEC and ask questions, and the SEC is open arms. Finally. Jake Travinsky, crypto companies are walking in the front door at the SEC to have constructive conversations about what good policy should look like. For the first time ever, literally, we've barely begun to unlock crypto's potential in the USA. The next couple of years are going to be massive. I think the next couple of months are going to be spectacular. Now, talking about XRP, this is the rich-list.info website that gives you the current wallets, the current amount in XRP wallets. Well, look at this. XRP wallets have exceeded 6 million. Currently 6,086,431 XRP wallets. Ripple released its Q4 2024 XRP markets report. Ripple has been transparent since day one. They are transparent every quarter. The SEC screwed up when they sued Ripple, when they sued XRP, when they sued the XRP community. I'm not going to go over this report, but I'm going to show you a recap on the next screen. I'll leave a copy of this below. Q4 2024 XRP markets report. If we briefly scroll through it, you'll see the markets, you'll see organizations, you'll see talk about the RLUSD stablecoin, you'll see numbers, you'll see the high gains in XRP since Trump has been elected, and it's just amazing. It even talks about the escrow at the end. But here we go. We're going to go to Reese Merrick on X. He is a senior executive officer, managing director of the Middle East and Africa with Ripple. All views are his own. It's at Reese_Merrick. The final quarter of 2024 brought key developments for XRP in the broader crypto industry. 280% price movement, a regulatory uncertainty faded, XRP demand soared. policy shifts, U.S. shifts towards regulatory clarity, and banking access for crypto. Banking access for crypto in the United States. Institutional momentum. Wisdom Tree Funds and CoinShares filed an S1 for a spot XRP ETF, joining 3 other ETF issuers, including Bitwise, Canary Funds, and 21 Shares. On-chain XRP ledger DEX trading volume reached $1 billion. And as I said, this is a recap of the Q4 2024 XRP markets report. Read it in detail below. Click on the link. Austin King. Austin King is the co-founder of Omni. Omni, he sold his first company to Ripple, XRP Computer Science at Harvard. And we're going to take a look at his thread real quick. It says, most people don't understand the impact that RLUSD, Ripple USD, Ripple US dollar will have on the XRP ledger. If you think this is just about a stable coin, you're missing the scale of opportunity by over, get this, 1,000x. Here's the actual strategy that Ripple is pursuing and the impact it will have on XRP. Listen up, people. You have XRP. You've been watching me. You've been filling your bags. You have XRP. You have had XRP for a week, a year, 5 years, 7 years, however long. Listen up, people. RLUSD daily volumes are already exceeding $300 million. Additionally, dozens of teams are working with Omni to integrate RLUSD into their products. While this is all exciting, it's just the tip of the iceberg. This week, Ondo Finance announced that they're launching tokenized treasury bills on the XRP ledger. If you've been following me, you may have seen this coming. Now we're starting to see the next stage of Ripple's actual strategy. Step 1, prove out tokenization technology by launching Ripple USD. Number 2, begin expanding with low-risk tokenized assets like treasury bills in the low trillions. Step 3, tokenize debt and equities, tens of trillions of dollars. And step 4, tokenize derivatives and beyond, which is hundreds of trillions of dollars, if not quadrillions, people, and it's coming. Ripple is going to bring trillions of dollars to traditional finance on XRP. Omni is going to expand those trillions across the rest of the on-chain financial system. This will cement XRP at the center of the entire on-chain economy. What does getting to trillions look like?
What are other projects that you're excited about within the crypto ecosystem, Austin?
There are a ton out there. I'm really excited about stablecoins. That's one that I think is offering very concrete financial utility for people across the world. Specifically, Ripple's new stablecoin is one that I've been paying very close attention to.
What about that new stablecoin is on your radar?
Yeah, so I sold my first company to Ripple. I've been very involved with that company for a very long time now. And I think just throughout the years, they've been around since like 2013. So a decade of building relationships with existing financial companies is something that I think is super important when you're trying to drive adoption of these new technologies.
Anything else? For 2025, Austin?
For 2025, I think the growth of like real world assets, so like treasury bills on chain and tokenized securities, I think is a huge area for growth as well.
How is the incoming administration expected to impact this space?
Honestly, as an American who lives in New York City, building in this industry over the past 7 years, it's fantastic. I can see a bunch of other American builders finally excited, like we are going to get clarity from the regulatory perspective here, and that's going to unblock a lot of progress here. There's like very legitimate, valuable technology being built here.
New York Stock Exchange TV, Austin King was interviewed. Here we go. A flywheel effect will take place. Number 1, XRP will tokenize more assets. Omni will expand those assets across on-chain economy, incentivizing more institutions to tokenize assets on XRP. This is the 1000x opportunity, and it's going to happen sooner than you expect. XRP tokenizes more assets from traditional finance. Omni expands tokenized assets across the on-chain economy, incentivizing more institutions to tokenize assets on XRP. People are missing the point. Share this thread with your friends. If you want to be the first to get the news, follow me here at 0xASK. Austin King. Thank you very much, Austin. Getting excited. Okay, here's Matt. Matt is Ideals at Omni, Advisor Multiplier Fund, and previously with JP Morgan. Here is a thread that he had to say. Ripple's XRP. Nope, it's XRP's XRP just became bigger than BlackRock. A digital asset now holds a large market cap than most of the world's $10 trillion assets manager. As someone who's been in crypto for years, here's my take of why this is finally happening. It says traditional finance is losing control. For decades, banks and asset managers have called the shots. Now, blockchain-based assets are flipping the world's most powerful financial institutions. How did we get here? BlackRock has dominated financial markets for nearly 30 years. But people are waking up to the influence they really have. Why? Because BlackRock doesn't just manage money, they control it. BlackRock's influences everything. Real estate prices, corporate decision-making, government policies. But what if financial power wasn't just for the elite? That's where Ripple comes in. It's creating a transparent, decentralized alternative that works for institutions and people. This is bigger than crypto. It's a financial revolution. If I click on this picture here, this illustration, it shows Ripple right in the middle of all of these major companies. Right in the middle of all of these major companies, Standard Chartered, Amazon, Santander, Lyft, Stripe, all of the above, PayPal, everything is all coming to the blockchain, people. Ripple is fixing what Bitcoin and ETH couldn't. Do you hear that, Bitcoin maxi tiers and Ethereum tiers? Ripple is fixing what Bitcoin and ETH couldn't. And XRP is fixing what Bitcoin and ETH could not. Instead of replacing the financial system, they're upgrading it, making it work for people, not against them. And the timing couldn't be better. BlackRock has consistently profited off of the everyday individual, but the world is shifting. People want control over their money. They're tired of closed-door financial systems, and they're voting for their wallets. Ripple's vision is clear, a global payment system that empowers individuals and the institutions that once dismissed crypto. They're now integrating with Ripple through a fear of being left behind. We're witnessing a massive financial shift, old money versus new money, institutions versus people. Smart money is already positioning itself. Are you? I'm tracking XRP's role in tokenization, TradeFi adoption, and regulatory battles. Follow him for more insights at 0xMatt1 on X. Thank you very much. On the note of XRP, over 45 crypto ETF filings have been sent to the new SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. XRP and Solana are among the top picks. I'm not going to read the article, but if you look at this illustration here and we zoom in a little bit, there have been 11 submissions for both Solana and XRP, people. And it's coming. You're looking at spot ETFs, you're looking at futures ETFs, and you're looking at a combination. It shows in this illustration above. Get excited, people. So Charles Hoskinson stated in an interview or in this post, this 8-second post, that February is going to be a very crazy month. We got some stuff going on. He can't talk about it, but you're going to see it's going to be fun.
February is going to be a very crazy month. We got some stuff going on. Can't talk about it now, but you're going to see. It's going to be fun.
So what is going to happen in February? Is this just pertaining to Cardano, ADA? Is it pertaining to the U.S. government and crypto? You know, Charles Hoskinson has been to D.C. He's spoken with individuals that are making rules and regulations in the United States. What's going to happen? It is already February. Get ready, people. So I play around with Grok. And here's Jerome Powell saying, buy the crypto dips. And also you got Michael Saylor, the Bitcoin maxi, holding an XRP token. Yes, it's not real, but it looks like Michael Saylor's about to cry right here holding this XRP token. You know what? Some amazing things are happening. Don't get worried about these pullbacks. Don't get worried about these dips. There's political things going on in the United States and around the world. There's other countries getting pissed off at the United States. But you know what? It's going to be a better built USA, a better built crypto, bringing crypto to the United States 100%. And we're going to be right in the middle of it, people. Subscribe to the James Rule Crypto Show. And don't forget, people, I told you so.